Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview question part 3. Today we will discuss about coding questions on functions. The first question is write code for map function. I'm creating one new file, that is map.js. In this function first I'm taking let arr equals to one array. I'm taking here that array. I'm adding 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Six values are I'm taking here. After that, I'm creating an addition function. In this, I'm writing one function argument as a n. I'm returning here n plus 2, means I'm adding 2 and each and every element. This is the function I was written here. After that, I'm taking one variable out. In this variable, I'm assigning this map function. First, I take this array dot map. Here we can write argument as a function. Here our return function is addition. This function I'm adding here. Let's call this function. See the output, how this map will be work. Yeah, I'm writing here. Let's call the map.js. The file name is map.js. I'm calling here. See, each and every element it's take adding 2 and each and every element of this array. This is a one example for map function. I wanna going to write one more function. Sorry, one more map example. Let I'm taking object, means in array I'm taking some objects. I'm taking person as a array. In that array I'm writing one object, that is name is a key, value is a Mahesh, and I'm taking id is a key, value is a 1. After that, same I wanna take one more name, that is key, data is a name, value, and id is 2. And also I'm taking one more object, name is Maruti, and id is 1, sorry, id is 3. This is the one object. After returning this object, I'm taking one of the call variable. I'm assigning in this call as a map function. I'm taking first right person dot map is a keyword. In that map, I'm directly here writing callback function. In map, I'm taking value. This is a value. After that, same I'm assigning to this value as a that object keys, value dot name, and also I'm adding some string and giving some space. After that, I'm assigning value dot id. Let's call this assigning value as a call, as I am taking console log. Here I'm calling this call. Let's see what will the output you will see here. Simply I'm calling that file name. See it here. This map is going to iterating each and every object of array and going to giving a result what you are asking as a callback function. Those result it is going to printing here. Next we are calling value dot name. Value name is a Mahesh and id value is a 1. They are written like this. This is the example for map function. Next question, write code for filter function. I'm taking one folder, file name filter.js. Next, I'm writing one array arr equals to, I'm taking some values like this 77. So after that, I'm writing one function. I'm remainder one of the variable I'm taking here. After that, I'm writing one function. In this function, I'm passing as an argument as an n. In this, just I wanna going to return this n value remainder by 2, giving equivalent 0. How many values are going to remaining dividing with 2 and giving result 0? Thus that kind of scenario I'm calling here. Next, I'm taking out variable here, assigning filter method here like this. Here just clearly I'm adding that function is as an argument I'm passing here. Next, I'm calling here console dot log and out. This is a calling. Let's go to the terminal, taking the load and calling the filter file name .js. Let's see, 22 and 66 and 44 is are divided by 2 and give remainder as a 0. This is one example for filter. Next, here just I'm taking how many are greater than of 44. Let's see, like this of boolean values filter will going to written here. Let's see, 55, 66, 77 is greater than of this. Now let's take to the one more example. I'm taking let student as a array name. Taking one array, in that I'm writing array objects. Name is a key, value is a Mahesh, and taking age is a key, value is a 22. Next, I'm taking one more object. Name is Dhoni and age is 20. Next, I'm taking one more object. Name is Rohit. I'm taking this as a string like this. After that, I'm taking age is it 24. This is one of the array. I'm writing one variable call. I'm assigning here is student dot filter method I'm adding here. In this, I'm now going to filter age factor. Who is the greater than of 20? Like this of some scenario, I'm writing here value dot age. If I greater than equal to 22, how many are there in this object? Like this of scenario, will filter will work. Like console log I have taken here. I'm calling call. Next, I'm going to the terminal and enter into the node filter.js and asking here. See, greater than of 22, only one. This object only we are having. This object here going to written here. This showing as the result. This is about some examples of the filter. Next, write code for reduce function. I'm creating one file reduce.js. Here I'm taking one array. Let arr equals array. Here I'm writing 12, 5, 6, 3, 8 and 9. These are I'm taking array values. After that, I'm creating one out variable. In this, I'm assigning arr dot reduce method. In this reduce, we are having callback function. In that callback function, we will pass the two arguments, that is accumulator and next one is current value. After that, I'm taking this array function and Here I wanna going to write some method taking accumulator equals to accumulator plus value. I'm reducing this array values into one single value. So this is the concept. This reduce will be work here. Next, I wanna going to return this accumulator. I'm writing here return accumulator ACC, right? Next, I wanna going to call this one writing console.log. Here I calling out variable what we are assigning this value. Next, I'm writing node on terminal. I'm writing the file name reduce.js. I'm calling this. Let's see here. This all values are going to into sum and converted as a single value, giving a output. If you calculate this all values into adding one each other, it will be going to give as a result 43. Let's change some value here, like I'm multiplying with 3. What will be the output will become? Each and every value multiply by 3 and going to add. After that, it is going to give as a some value. Like this result will become. This is the result for that. And next, I am taking one more example for this. I am writing one array is a developer. In this developer, I am assigning in this array. I am writing some objects, that is name, key, and value is a Mahesh. And taking age, take age is a key, value is a 22. After that, I'm taking one more object. In this object, I'm taking name, and name value is a Teresa, and age is 25. After that, I'm taking one more object, name, key, and value is Mithali. Next, taking age I'm taking 31. These are the three objects taken into the array. After that, I'm writing the condition for reduce. Like I'm taking one variable out. Here I'm assigning a value to this developer. Writing here reduce method. In this reduce, we are having a callback function. In that, we will write the accumulator and value is a arguments. I'm writing arrow function. I'm taking this code. Here I'm writing some condition. If value dot age greater than 20, it will be going to write pushing into the this values into becoming to one more array. It will be going to create like this of a condition. I'm taking here. I'm taking here accumulator dot push in this value dot that name who is having greater than 20 age. Those numbers of array objects which will be going to return like this of condition. I'm taken here. I'm returning here accumulator, like this is the final output value. After that, I'm taking initial value as a empty array. This array will be going to give as a start of this array. Next, I'm going to calling this thing console.log taking to this out variable. Okay, here one more thing, we are taking two times, that's why it is showing as an error. I'm changing this as a call. Here also I'm changing call. Let's call this one. What will be just small change here. Just written some small spelling mistake. Let's call this. We will see the result. See here. We are having age 20 above, having these three objects are having age above the 20. That is why it is going at the result like this. Let's clear the terminal and like check change some age. I'm taking age as a 25. Who is having greater than 25? Those value only want to show. Okay, see here, Mithali is having above 25 age. Those results only it is showing. Yeah, this is about some examples of reduce method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment down.